Hello everyone, my name is Lisa. I am going to talk about speech sounds and semantics, phonetics and phonology. They are the disciplines that study the small units in linguistic structure, the sound and language. Phonetics is the science of the slightly more nuanced side of speech sound and physical phenomena like physiologic, neurology, anatomic, and psychology, involved in the production of the different sounds of the world language. Identify of speech sounds. The sign and phonetics aims to describe the sound of the whole the world's language. Acoustic phonetics, auditory phonetics, articular phonetics. Acoustic phonetics is focus on the physical properties of the sound language. Auditory phonetics is focus on how the listeners perceive the sound language. And articulatory phonetics is focused on how the vocal tracts produce the sound language. Example: vowels. First is cat, black, is a. Pronouns is say, ache. Next is awake. Cinema. Consonants. Next is M. Example is men. Lemon. Next is P. Pronouns pet. Mat. Next is check. Church. Phonology. Phonology is what you have in mind to speak. Phonemes and phonetics is how it is actually produced. That is to say, the font begin where right between oblique slashes. The functions of the sound, that is to say, knowing one word from the other. On the other hand, the sound combination rules known as phonotasis. Example: the phenomenon is what allows us to know the word set and caps. Just by changing the phoneme is P. For the phoneme K. Next, it is pronounced as I. Found is work like spider, fly, night, isle. Phonemes I. To produce the sound, put your tongue high and at the front of your mouth and stretch out your lips. Then make a long voice sound. It is quite an uncommon sound that we use in many words, and it can be spelled in many different ways. How the I sound is spelled. The I phoneme is normally spelled with the letter E or E, as in the word. Example: tree. Next is C. This. Another example. First, here are some words that start with the E phoneme. Each, easy, eat. Second, here are some words that have the sound in the middle. Fear, keep, sim. Here are some words with the E at the end. Example is E, she, we. Okay, in conclusion is phonetic deals with the sound of actual speech and how it is produced, and phonology deals with the ideas, sound, the language and rules. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching. Bye.